Hi guys, welcome to another lecture of JavaScript. In this lesson, we will learn how to use logical operators. So we've learned in the last lesson how to use the comparison, and logical operators are also very similar to use. There are only 3 logical operators you can use, and we usually use to compare 2 conditional statements. So let's give you just a very quick example of the first logical operator, which is the AND operator. And a quick example of that would be 2 equals 2, and then the AND operator is 2 ampersand, and then the next condition, let's type for example 3 equals 3. Okay, so what would be the return of this? True or false? Obviously is true, because we are saying that 2 equals 2 and 3 equals 3. Okay, so this is true and this is also true. So if both are true, the total is true. Now, what about if we type 2 equals 1 and 3 equals 3? One of them is not true, which is the first condition. So the total would be false. Okay? So this is how the AND works. It compares 2 conditions, and if one of them, just one of them is false, the total is false. Now there is the OR operator, and we're going to use the same examples as above. So if 2 equals 2 or, this is how we type the OR comparison. Three equals 3. This would return true, because it's saying that if either the first statement or the second statement is true, it returns true. What about if 2 equals 1 or 3 equals 3? This would be true as well, because one of them is true. But if we type if 2, let's do a more complex calculation. So if 2 is not equal to 2 or 3 is not equal to 3, this would be false. Okay? Because either the first condition or the second one are false. Both are false. Okay? What about if we type is 2 is not equal to 1 or if 3 equals 3, this would be true. Okay, so I hope you guys understood all this. I know it could be a little complicated first, but you'll get used to it. Okay, and in the next lecture with conditional statements, you'll understand how all this makes sense. Now, the last logical operator you have to know is one that we already learned in the last video, which is the NOT. Okay, so the first one is the AND logical operator. Here we have the OR logical operator, and here we have the NOT. So I can even put this, the not operator and the and operator. Now the not operator, we've learned in the last lesson how to use it, is exclamation symbol. And basically we can do this in a statement. We just type the not symbol or exclamation symbol and then parenthesis, and let's type 33 equals 33. Okay, so basically what the not does before a calculation between a parenthesis is give it a false value. So this is false because we given it a false value or a false result with the exclamation symbol before it. Okay, so this would be false. Now here, another example, let's say if not 33, it's bigger than 35. And this would be true. Why is that? Because the parenthesis itself is false because 33, it's not bigger than 35. So this is false, but we are giving it the not, so it's true. Okay, so basically the symbol gives changes. If there's a false, it will become true. If there's a true, it will become false. Okay, so this is all. If you have any questions, post your comments or questions in the Q&A section. See you guys later.